Welcome everyone. Thanks for joining this orientation call for the Cluster API version 1.13 release team. I'm really excited to work with all of you in this cycle. Before we start, a quick reminder that this project operates under CNCF code of conduct. That means being respectful, uh, inclusive, and making this a welcoming space for everyone. If you have any questions during the call, feel free to use the raise hand feature or jump in whenever appropriate. Uh, so uh, this is meant to be a light orientation and intro. Uh, I've already created an agenda of the a few of the things we can discuss here. Uh, yeah, so if you are attending this call, you can just mention your name. And one more thing, if you don't have access to this document, you can join the SIG cluster lifecycle mailing list. Once again, I'll paste this in the chat. So if anyone is not able to access it, second, where is the
Aman, I've sent a request.
okay. I'll also share this link after the call, so you can also refer if anyone else also is not able to access. And one more thing, so in this release cycle, we have to, in order to perform all the operation and task, one thing is necessary is to have a Kubernetes SIGs membership. So if anyone here in the team does not have the membership, they can raise the request, and we from the cluster API team, we would be happy to sponsor them so that the we can perform our task flawlessly. So just make sure that you have the membership. If not, you can just approach us. You can maybe mention this in the release channel, and we'll be happy to sponsor you. Yeah. Okay. So just we can start with a quick introduction. So if anyone wants to share their name, their role, and their previous work involvement around Cluster API or Kubernetes, they are free to share.
I
I
can
can
go
go first.
first.
Hey,
Okay. You go,
sorry.
Chand.
Oh, okay. Okay, thanks. So hey, first of all, welcome all who is going to take participation in this release. And yeah, mostly like from last 3 to 4 release, I worked as a cluster APIs for the docs release lead, like comps release lead, you can say. And mostly I have the experience from last 3 or 4 release here. So if you guys have any doubts, you can also ask me. I can help on that as well. And yeah, I basically from Bangalore. I worked from for Intuit here, and I also contribute to open source. So yeah, that's all I have.
Thank you, Chandra.
Yeah. So, hello everyone. My name is Prashant. I work as senior platform engineer at Mirantis. I am currently based in Mauritius. So working remotely. I've been using Kubernetes for the last, let's say, 5 years, and have been using Cluster API for the last 2 years as well. Thanks, guys, for including me in the in this group. So, as part of the Mirantis OSPO group, so we want actively to participate in open source, let's say product, give our contribution, whatever and however we can. So thanks again, and looking to work with you guys.
Thank you, Prashad.
Yeah, hi
Hi.
everyone.
Oh,
You can
go
go
ahead.
ahead. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Tarun. I've been working with IBM for the past 1.5 year. I'm completely new to the open source. Lead Aman asked me if it would be nice if I could join this. So thanks, Aman, for asking me to get involved in this. Yeah, looking forward to contributing more to open source. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Pepe, you wanted to go?
Thank you. Yes. So my name is Peppi Lotta. I work at Ericsson in an open source team, and I've been working on open source for the last 2 years, and mostly working on one of the providers for copy, but also with copy a lot. Um, and I'm my role in this release is to be the CI manager. So I would also like to welcome everybody and thank you for helping out with this release.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can go next. My name is Ira Pandey. I've been working in IBM for about close to 2 years, almost 2 years now. I have been contributing to Cluster API for the past 1 year. I pick up issues and help out as much as I can. This is my first time being in the release team. Again, shout out to Aman for motivating me to get here. Uh, yeah, I'm based in Bangalore. I also live in Delhi sometimes. So, yeah, happy to be here. Thank you.
Morning.
Yeah, I can go next.
Yeah,
Oh, sorry,
so my
please
name
go
is
ahead.
Vikas. Sorry, Sharat, you want to go?
Sorry. You please go ahead.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, my name is Vikas. So I'm with IBM. I joined recently, so it's been 5 months, I guess. I've been also contributed to open source Kubernetes as of now, like regarding the flakes and few test cases, like improvement there. Have few peers merged as well, and thanks to Aman actually, like for motivating and also explaining the process in cluster API release team. So I've joined as a team member for CIT. Yeah, looking forward to contribute. Thank you.
Yep. Hello everyone. So myself Sharad. So I'm from Bangalore, currently working at IBM. I've been contributing to open source for almost 1.5 years. So not much contributions from cluster API side, but I mostly work on etcd and some other projects. So this is the first time even I'm in the release team. So looking forward to learn, explore, and work with all of you. Thank you. And I'm currently like would be working as CI shadow. Thank you. Okay, fine. Anyone else want to speak? Or shall we move to next topic? Okay.
Hey, man.
Yeah, Prajeet.
Project. Yeah, sorry, I joined late. So I've been working with open source for last 4 or 5 years now. I've been previously part of the CAPI release team 1.4 and 1.5, I think, and also part of the Kubernetes release team right now as a release signal leader. Happy to be back in the CAPI release team and looking forward to working with you all.
Yeah, welcome back. Okay, thank you for all of your introductions and being part of the team. Yeah, so I'll give you a high level overview. So basically, uh, the 1.13 release will run roughly from Jan to April.
and we follow a predictable cycle of planning, then beta, then code freeze, RCs, and then final release. So we already have a release tracking issue created, uh, treated as a one second in the issues. So this one. So you can treat it as a single source of truth for the task across the cycle. And each task is clearly tagged with the ownership for the release lead, CI signal, comms. And some of the tasks are time bound while others are continuous. So as tasks are completed, we check them off, and so the whole team has the visibility. So this is something which you can refer. Uh, Next thing is how we work. So we have this weekly release sync every Tuesday at 9 p.m. IST or 8:30 Central Time, and this is where we track progress, surface any blockers, or and align with across the teams. During code freeze, the cadence may increase. We'll communicate that clearly when we get there. Uh, and Slack. So a lot of our work happens asynchronously on the cluster API release channel. So for most tasks, we'll start a thread, and everyone involved in the task updates in the same place. So if you look in the previous cycles, you'll notice the pattern. So this just keeps things transparent and avoid any silos. Yeah. So the next topic is the rules and expectations. So I'll briefly talk about them. So CI signal, as you have read on the rule book also, that the CI signal has its often workflows and sometimes its own syncs also. So you can find the link to the doc here in the top for the CI signal. Um, Peppy can walk the CI signal through the monitoring rotation and dashboards, all of the things. She can also explain that. In comms, we focus on release notes, announcements, and keeping community informed about the milestones. And in the for the role of release lead, my role and the shadows is to basically keeping the cycle on track and making sure that each task of the week is being completely completed, and um, I lean towards my backups for shadows for the backups, and even if I'm not available or if there is any conflict, so they can help me out there and eventually take the ownership uh, in the coming future releases. So we'll figure out our delegation together. Yeah, so these are the few of the things I just wanted to uh, discuss with you guys. Yeah, and docs and handbooks are we have well documented steps for each of the tasks. So whenever any task comes, you can just simply go through these links and follow. And if you feel anything is unclear or outdated, please share your feedback over them also. Yeah, so that's all from my side. If you have any questions or concerns or ideas, you can discuss. If anything, the CI team or the comms team lead want to discuss, they can also mention it here if I have missed anything.
I think in the docs, in the above section, could you list link the improvement board and the task? If you go above a bit,
Hmm.
there is a link for, yeah, these two links. So this is saying as 1.13.
Yeah. This I'll update with 1.13.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes, and the cluster API release Slack channel has a bookmarks tab that has the links to all of these uh, 1.12 links at the moment. So if you could also update those to 1.13, that would be
Yeah.
very helpful. And
Sure.
and and this is a good place to find everything.
Yeah.
If someone has wants to find these, then this is a good place to find them.
Sure. Yeah. Any other questions or anyone wants to discuss anything? Okay, I think we are good. Thank you, team, for participating in this cycle, and looking forward with working with you all and making this really successful. Thank you for joining the call. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.